Brandon with Voodoo Forge, and if you are a subscriber to the channel, you're probably wondering where in the hell I've been. Well, I want to make a quick video, and I want to try to tell you why I stopped doing videos for a while, what's been going on in the shop, what's been going on the homestead, and what the plan for the channel is in the future. When I started the YouTube channel, I started it for fun, just as a little extra something to do for my own entertainment. When you work by yourself 90% of the time, it kind of helps break the monotony. So that's why I started it. But the deal from the very beginning was it needed to be self-supporting. It could not take away from my work or the budget. So when it got time to set up, a channel has to get to a certain size before you can start making money off of it, before you can monetize it. And when we got to that time, which was pretty quick, but when I set up the Adsense account, which is the thing that they use to pay you, I screwed something up. I got the guy who was building my website at the time to put a code that you're supposed to put on. So he put it on the website instead of the YouTube channel, and they deemed that content was not something that I could receive payment from Adsense. I can't explain it because I don't fully understand it. I've had my website guy, I've had a couple of my friends who work in the IT industry look at it, and they can't make heads or tails of it. I can't get any kind of response I can understand from Google, who owns, the internet. And so I'm having trouble with that. But that meant that there was no revenue coming in from the videos at all. Now, don't think that I'm trying to make a living off of this or ever was. The deal was it was just self-supporting. We just wanted enough money to pay for the cameras, maybe the household internet. I did not think that I was going to ever be able to stop the work that I do and transfer to this kind of work. That's not something. I'm not an idiot. That's not going to happen. But I did enjoy it, and it was supposed to be self-supporting, and it wasn't. Blacksmith shop is not a good environment for cameras. So after going through a couple of cameras, it became apparent that wasn't something that it just wasn't working out. And I was kind of irritated because YouTube was still running ads on the content that I was producing. Even without having made a video in quite some time, they still get views, they still get comments, they still get likes, and they put ads on them. So YouTube is getting revenue, but they're not sharing that. That's a sticking point with me. So that's why I stopped for a while. But I always enjoyed the videos. I always enjoyed the interaction with people commenting, liking. I actually made some real friendships with people from the YouTube videos. So it's always been something I wanted to get back to. So we've got a little, I've got a little breathing room now where I can look at this Adsense thing and try to work that out. So I've decided to start making some videos. I'm not going to invest in any really good software or camera equipment until I can get that stuff worked out. This is my wife's old iPhone that I'm shooting this on, so I don't know. We'll see. I'll see once I get it up what it looks like. But that's why I hadn't been making videos. What's been going on the homestead? Oh, Lord, where did we leave off? We've got a bunch of rabbits. We keep rabbits on a rotating breeding scale, and those jokers are delicious, and their poo is magnificent for the garden. Chickens have come and gone and come again. The garden, my wife is doing some really cool stuff out with the garden. The shop, as far as my work, my business model has changed a little bit. And as I am doing less shows, I have not done a show since November. I'm doing a lot of production, handmade stuff. I'm doing a lot of large custom order stuff. Stuff that and I don't mean this as an insult, but like your basic hobby guy would not be interested in doing. But I do have some ideas for some videos, some tool restorations that I need to do that have been laying around, and some stuff that I hadn't done videos in the past. So I'm planning on making a few videos. Trying to work out exactly how. But so that's what's going on. Not a lot has changed in the shop. I got a couple more fair stickers. That is about it. But anyway, I'm planning on getting some more content coming y'all's way. Don't expect it to come fast. You know, I will do the best I can. But this is back to just being a fun thing for me when I get around to it. Hopefully I'll put some stuff up that y'all enjoy. There'll be a lot of blacksmithing content. There'll be you know, some of the general shop content, and then of course the garden and the animals and all of that. So, but mostly stuff in the shop, blacksmithing, fabrication, stuff like that. So anyway, I don't know, there's not a lot to like about this video. It's just a lot of boom, boom, boom. But anyway, it's nice to see y'all again, and I look forward to seeing you more often.